Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back students in your mathematics online class. Today I am going to start new exercise 22B. This is question number 5. A sheet of paper measures 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. A strip 2 cm wide is cut from it all around. Find the area of the remaining sheet and also the area of the strip cut out. So a sheet of paper measures 25 centimeter length and 20 centimeter breadth. A strip 2 centimeter wide is cut. A strip 2 centimeter wide is cut from it all around, right? So 2 centimeter wide. This strip is 2 centimeter wide. Okay? This is 2 centimeter wide. Now what we have to find? We have to find the area of the remaining sheet. First what we have to find? We have to find this area. Okay. And then also the area of the strip cut out. And what we have to find? This strip which has been cut out, we have to find the area of this strip also. This one. Okay. Now let's name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. As you can see that there are two triangles. First is ABCD and there is a small triangle EFGH, right? Now first we find out the area of the triangle EFGH. Now tell me the length of this triangle, this small triangle EF. What would be the length of this small triangle EF? Can you guess? Now see, the length of the paper has been reduced from this side also and from this side also, right? It has been reduced from this side also and this side also, right? The breadth has been reduced from this side also and this side also. So what would be the length of EF? Length of rectangle EFGH is equals to what? See, this total is 25 centimeter, right? 2 centimeter has been reduced from this side and 2 centimeter has been reduced from this side. So the length of EF would be 25 minus 2 plus 2, right? Because 2 has been reducing from this here and has been reduced from this side also. So here we get 25 minus 4, we get 21. So here we get the length 21. Similarly, if we talk about the breadth of a triangle EFGH, breadth of rectangle EFGH. If we talk about this, now the breadth has been reduced from 2 centimeter from this side and from this side also, right? This total is 20. So what would be the breadth of the rectangle? 20 minus 2 plus 2, isn't it? 20 minus 4, what you get here? 16. So your length would be 21 and breadth would be 16. Now we will find the area of rectangle EFGH, or you can say the area of the remaining sheet. So area of remaining sheet is equals to length into breadth. Length is 21 and breadth is 16. So here you get 336 centimeters square. Now next what we have to find? We have to find the area of the strip. We have to find this one, right? So how do we find this? We subtract the area of a bigger rectangle by the area of a smaller rectangle. So first we find out the area of rectangle ABCD. Area of rectangle ABCD, length into breadth, that means 25 into 20, 500 centimeters square. Now area of the strip. Area of the strip, area of a bigger rectangle minus area of smaller rectangle, 500 minus 336, we get 164 meters square. Next question, question number 6. The side of a square flower bed is 1 meter 80 centimeter long. It is enlarged by digging a strip 20 centimeter wide all around it. Find the area of the enlarged flower bed and also the increase in area of the flower bed. There is a flower bed whose side is 1 meter 80 centimeter. Okay, now it is enlarged. It is enlarged how much? 20 centimeter wide all around it. It means it is enlarged 20 centimeter from this side also and 20 centimeter from this side also. Okay, so first we find, now name these square in ABCD, and this is E F G H. Now first we convert this length into centimeters. So side of square EFGH is equals to 1 meter 80 centimeter. 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. It means 100 plus 80 centimeter, that means 180 centimeter, right? First what we have to find? We have to find the area of the enlarged flower bed. So we'll find out the side of this bigger square. So what would be the side of this bigger square? This whole is 180, right? And it is enlarged 20 centimeter from this side and 20 centimeter from this side also. So the side of square ABCD is equals to 180 plus 20 plus 20. Got it? 120 plus 40, here what you get? 220 centimeters. So this side is 20 centimeter. Okay, now the area of enlarged flower bed. Area of enlarged flower bed is equals to side square, that means 220 square, which means 220 into 220, and here we get the answer 48400 centimeter square. Now convert this into meter square. 48400 divided by 100 into 100. Here we get 4.84 meters square. Next what we have to find? The increase in area of the flower bed. It means we have to find this area. So first we find out the area of this small square, that is area of square EFGH. Area of square EFGH is equals to side square, which means 180 square. So here we get 32400 centimeter square or 3.24 meter square. So the increase in area of the flower bed would be increase in area of flower bed is equals to area of the bigger square minus area of the smaller square, that means 4.84 minus 3.24, which gives us 1.6 meter square. Next is question number 7. Find the area of the cross roads at right angles to each other through the center of the field. Suppose this is a field and these are the cross roads. We have to find the area of these cross roads. What is given? That this portion is 3 meter and this is a rectangle, so the length of this rectangle is 80 and the breadth is 65. So what we do, first we find out the area of this rectangle, that name this rectangle 1, and then we find out the area of this rectangle, name this rectangle 2, and then we find out the area of this overlapping portion. This is overlapping portion. So see, the first rectangle, the length of this first rectangle would be, see, this is 80, it means this is also 80. So the length of this first rectangle is 80. So area of first rectangle, length into breadth, that means 80 into 3, 240 meter square. Now area of second rectangle. What would be the length of second rectangle? This is 65. It means this length is also 65. Okay. So the area of second rectangle, length into breadth, 65 into 3. Here you get 195 meter square. Now we'll find the area of this overlapping portion. Now see, this part is 3 meter. It means that this one would also be 3 meter. This part is 3 meter. So this one also be 3 meter. This is also 3 and this is also 3. It means that this overlapping part is a square. So here we find the area of overlapping portion. This overlapping portion is a square. So we use the formula of a square, that is side is square, and we have a side 3. So 3 square is 9. Now area of cross roads. Would be this plus this, 240 plus 195 subtracted by this overlapping portion. So here you get 426 meter square. Next, question number 10. A book contains 360 pages which measures 20 centimeter by 14 centimeter. Suppose this is a page of a book. This is 40 and this is 20 centimeter. every page has a blank margin 2.5 centimeter deep. So there is a margin 2.5 centimeter deep from this side and from this side also, along each short side, and 2 centimeter deep each long side. It means that this is 2 centimeter deep, and here also 2 centimeter deep. Okay. Now find the total area available for printing. So the total area which is available for printing is this. So we will find the area of this portion. Name this rectangle A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Now first we find out the length and breadth of a rectangle EFGH. Now length of rectangle EFGH is equals to, we subtract 20. Here 2 centimeter has been reduced, and from here 2 centimeter has been reduced. So we subtract 20 minus 2 plus 2. That means 20 minus 4, 16. It means we get the length 16 here. Now breadth of rectangle EFGH. This is the breadth. 2.5 centimeter has been reduced from this side, and 2.5 centimeter has been reduced from this side also. It means we subtract 14 minus 2.5 plus 2.5. That means 14 minus 5, which is equals to 9 centimeter. We have to find the area of this portion, right? So we will find, we know the length and breadth of this rectangle, so we can easily find the area of this portion. Area of rectangle EFGH is equals to, length is 16 and breadth is 9. So here we get 144 centimeter square. Now how many, find the total area available for printing. So total area available for printing is equals to the area is 144, and there, how many pages are there? There are 360 pages. So we multiply it by 360. So here we get 51840 centimeter square. You can convert this into meter square also.